Hello wonderful people, Hannah here and welcome back to another episode of Insta360 TV. As you can see, it's a little bit dull and gloomy today, but we are in a big, wonderful city and we're going to vlog around with one mission at hand. An extreme waterproofing experiment with the Insta360 ONE R. We don't know exactly what we're going to do yet, the weather kind of sucks, so we're just going to grab the Canon, vlog around and see what kind of random experiments we can find to test the waterproofing of this magnificent little device. So come with us on what is going to be a wet and wild experiment. So it is our final day here in Shanghai, but everyone's feeling a little bit tired, in particular Mr. Filmmaker Gabby, and he said it's a Sunday and I'm making him work, so he needs a beer before he can start the day. So I brought him to this dive bar around the corner. Mr. Filmmaker, how are we doing?
Salud.
Saludo. But why you take so long? It's so small.
Tranquila, Hannah. Slowly.
Tranquila.
Need my beer.
But what are we doing today? Eh?
Waterproofing the ONE R. Isn't the way we... What?
Oh my god,
That's not water, that's beer.
Wait, is it still recording?
Do you think that's funny, huh? There you go. What is that? Orange juice or a screwdriver?
Let me taste. Do you think I'll get electrocuted? Oh my god, I'm scared now.
Does it taste like ONE R?
Oh my god, wait, hold this. Mate. We're still recording, yeah, buddy!
Show me the screen, show me that.
Guys, we're still recording.
This
Waterproof, beer proof, screwdriver proof. I'm buzzing. Okay, should we give it a little wash?
Yeah, let's put it in water now.
Right, if you came to CES then you would have seen this graphic. Let's put it to the test. Slow-mo that shit. It doesn't feel natural. It doesn't feel right. Oh my god.
Still recording?
Still recording, still recording, still
That's
recording,
good,
still
that's
recording.
good.
Oh my god, yes. Would you say that this is the first test passed?
Yeah, definitely. Pass.
Okay, you got your beer. We got one result from today. Let's keep going, buddy. Yeah.
Just like ONE R.
It's time for test number 2, my friends. And I'm in the mood to get an Insta360 mascot whilst we're doing this waterproofing. So we're gonna go to the aquarium and whichever fish likes this camera the most, I'm gonna buy it. So let's go. So the shop have given us 2 chances to dunk the camera inside the tanks. So I'm gonna choose one, Gabby is gonna choose one, and then whichever fish shows the most interest, then naturally that fish will become the Insta360 mascot of the waterproof testing episode. I like these white ones. We got permission for this, my friends, don't worry. Oh my god, I don't know what... You think I should hold it?
Go for it, Hannah.
You think I should just drop it in?
I think you need to put it in. All the way in. Go.
Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, but it's recording downside. Oh my god, Gabby, this is making me feel sick. You think I should flip it around?
Yeah, you need to fill it up.
Oh my god, it's making me feel sick. Come on, fish. Oh, that one, I think that one likes it.
Try to talking later. Tell the girls the
Hey
white
guys.
one.
Okay, we've got Clarissa, Flavia, Bruno, Alex, Max, Leon. Oh, you have no idea, it's like making out with my hand. I think we've got the one. I like this one. His name's Bruno. Okay, Bruno, I'm coming for you. Wait. Oh, it's so disgusting. Still record. Okay, Gabby went for little piccolo fish that are more fluorescent and some baby shrimp. It's so cute. I secretly want us to win this one. Okay. Okay, we're recording. Oh, it feels so weird. Oh, it's cold.
And you pointed like a candle on the battery. Put the battery on the bottom.
No. Your fish don't like us at all. You're not giving me any names. What do you want to call your fish?
One R.
Wana. Okay, come get in the camera.
Oh,
that's the one. That's the one. That's the
He
one.
went and kissed the lens.
Okay, I choose you. I think this one is.
That one, is that one.
Oh my god, look, the shrimp are on the side.
Oh.
Oh my god, we need to buy the shrimp now. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
The truth. Oh, all the shrimps are going for it now. Okay, but which one is the first one?
Oh my god, they're gonna try and they're trying to open the SD card.
No way.
As a note, guys, if it opens the SD card slot, it's not gonna be waterproof anymore. So if your fish are doing that, then bad behavior. Oh my god. Oh, we're gonna be parents, Gabby. Yay! Okay, so the red and the blue is Gabby's fish, who showed much more interest than mine. But we're also gonna get a shrimp because they were trying to hack the SD card. They tried to ruin our waterproofing challenge. So I'm gonna buy one. Thank you. Oh, she's coming. We're now proud fish parents. Oh my god, look. So we have Gabby's one right here. The colourful one is called 1 R, naturally. And then we have this lovely lady shrimp, and her name is Sandra. Sandra.
How do you know it's a female?
It's obvious, look. She's a kind soul, Sandra. And now we have 2 more people to come with us on our quest for waterproofing experimentation. So I have an idea where we're gonna go next. Let's take the kids.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so we want to finish this experiment on a more intense level, and we're going to dump the 1 R into a river, but we're going to do that with a fishing rod. We want to show solidarity to our new Insta360 mascots. What do you think? You think you can hold it?
That looks good enough.
Yeah, I've never fished before, so I wouldn't say I'm so well acquainted with such equipment. Okay, you think it's good? Okay, sweet. Right, okay, we're gonna buy this and we're gonna take our kiddies to the place they know best, and we are gonna fishing rod a 1 R. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see here, I have my apprentice cameraman. This is Jamie. Wow! And we have Gabby and Jamie's dad, Marco, helping us to set up the fishing rod because we are going to dunk the 1 R into this suspicious looking river. We have some Navy SEAL experience on this assembly line right now. So me and Jamie are going to sit back and blow some bubbles. Wow! And wait for the setup to be ready. Okay boys, let's do this quick. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Sun is about to set with my Navy SEAL wannabe, Mr. Filmmaker Gabby. I'm so, wait, you're not recording, you're not recording. You're not recording, okay. Okay, limbo. Oh. Oh my god, I'm so worried about this. Oh my god. Yay! Goodness. It's still going? Yeah, baby! Woo! Ugh. Okay, we have the final launch of the day. Gabby, do your worst. Don't lose the camera. I'll kill you. No. Wait, we lost it?
No, it's fine.
Oh, woo!
I got it.
Okay, follow the orange.
Not too fast. I think you got something biting.
Ah!
Here it comes. Don't pull it, because I think that's what makes it pull.
Yeah, okay. Gently, softly, softly, gently, 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 gently. There she goes. Okay, Marco, production assistant, grab it, grab it, grab it. Gabby, you have graduated your Navy SEAL course. Congratulations. Woohoo! Say, subscribe. Oh, that was good enough, right? Yay, well done, Jamie. Well, everyone, that brings a very wholesome end to our waterproofing episode. So if you are wondering how waterproof is the Insta360 ONE R, pretty damn waterproof in my opinion. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already, and give me and Jamie a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching again, and we'll see you for the next episode.